Okay, so sorry it's been a little bit of time. I thought I'd do weekly updates, but stuff got busy, I guess. But we're getting back to this. So I just wanted to give a little update to where we are in this build. Honestly, not much has changed since last time, but I was able to take the paneling off. So I have these pieces, this front piece, and then this side piece. That was the side piece that came off before. So then we have this metal shell to work with right here. You see we still have these drives. Still trying to decide what to do with those, because I want to keep the look of them on the outside. So I think I was saying before I might maybe take off the drives, take off these plastic pieces and just glue them together, and then glue them into this. I think that would probably work pretty well as far as looks go. And so yeah, so what I realized from last time was that it's going to be kind of hard to put an ATX motherboard in here because of this piece right here. So an ATX motherboard, I can't remember the exact inches. I think it's like 9.6 or something like that. But this is just barely in the way. So we're going to want to take off this piece, and I think we can take this whole thing off. You can kind of see right here there's a seam, and then up here there's also, if you can see that, this seam right here. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is try to drill these out. So there's these holes right here, right there, that you can see. That's where like that's what's holding it in. That's how it's connected to this outer metal shell. And so hopefully if I drill all of those out, we'll be able to just take this piece out. I don't know. Hopefully that's all I have to do. Hopefully it's not glued in or something. But anyways, I think that should be pretty good. So I'm gonna get to work on drilling that, and then we'll have to figure out something for the IO. Kind of map everything out. But I think what we're gonna do is you can either buy like a panel with like ATX holes in it, or like an ATX standard, and I think it has the standoffs in it. I was looking online, and there's a few places where you can do that. It's kind of expensive, like $50 for just a sheet of metal. So I think what I might do instead is try to buy a case that's old and used for like $10-15 if I can find one, and just cut out the metal myself. Kind of ruin a case that's good, but I think it'll be worth it to make it look like this. So yeah, so I'm gonna get to work on drilling those out. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. Well, there we go. Sweet. Okay. So here we are. Able to get this out. And there we are. Hopefully it should fit now, because no longer have this lip right here sticking out like this. So hopefully we'll be able to fit it back there, or fit a panel back there that we get out of the other case. And then we'll be able to start figuring this stuff out. Try to figure out how I want to orient everything in the case, just because it's a little weird. Before, the power supply was right here, and there's like a swing arm. There was like a swing arm thing. Oh, I think it's right here. Yeah, if you can see that. This thing right here. It's connected to that. And then there's this metal piece that sat in kind of like this. That's how the power supply was. So I guess we'll figure that out. Try to get a case. Yeah, if you guys have any ideas, feel free to let me know. Yeah. Okay, so I just wanted to say thanks to a few of the people that commented last time. It was cool. I honestly wasn't expecting anybody to even see the video, so thanks for that. Somebody did mention that it'd be cool to get a couple Noctua fans, and also get some rubber feet to put on the bottom of it, because it's kind of just sitting on the carpet. So actually this was on the bottom of it. Probably rubber feet would be better, but I kind of like the look of this, especially I think if it's sitting on a table or something like that, it'll be cool. So we'll see what happens there. I might go with rubber feet, but I also think this is pretty cool. So you clean it up, it's all dirty and dusty. But yeah, and also like the Noctua fans, I think those, like the brown ones, would look so awesome inside of this, just because they're kind of ugly, but it kind of matches the outside of this. So I mean, like, why not? So I'll look into those and see what I can find. But anyways, thanks so much for watching. Bye.